Hello students, today we are going to study ship model. Ship is a partially submerged body, hence drag experienced by ship consists of the wave resistance, which is resistance offered by waves on the free surface, and the next one is frictional or viscous resistance, which is offered by water on surface of contact of ship with water. Hence, in this type of ship model, both Reynolds law and Froude's law should be satisfied. Now, Reynolds number will be equals to rho r into Vr into Lr upon mu r will be equals to 1. Froude number will be equals to Vr upon under root of Lr will be equals to 1. So, rho r into under root of Lr into Lr upon mu r will be equals to 1. Therefore, Lr to the power 3 by 2 upon Vr will be equals to 1. Sometimes both the laws become difficult to be satisfied. Hence, calculation is performed as below. Total resistance will be equals to wave resistance plus viscous resistance. So, viscous resistance, that is R mu, will be equals to Fa into V to the power n, where F is equals to frictional resistance or area or velocity. Now, F is determined experimentally for model as well as prototype. Therefore, R mu for model will be equals to Fm into Am into Vm to the power n, and viscous resistance for prototype will be equals to Fp into Ap into Vp to the power n. If total resistance of model is known, then Rwm will be equals to Rm minus R mu m. Therefore, Rwm will be equals to Rm minus Fm into Am into Vm to the power n. From Froude law, Rwm, that is for model, upon Rwp, that is for prototype, will be equals to Rwr, which will be equals to rho r into Lr cube, which will be equals to rho m into Lm cube upon rho p into Lp cube. Thus, wave resistance of prototype becomes known. To calculate the frictional viscous resistance of prototype, R mu p will be equals to Fp into Ap into Vp to the power n. Now, area of prototype is calculated from area of model upon area of prototype, which will be equals to AR, which will be equals to LR square. And Vp is calculated from Vm upon Vp equals to Vr equals to under root of Lr. Thus, frictional resistance also becomes known. Therefore, total resistance of ship prototype will be equals to wave resistance plus viscous resistance. That is all about the ship model. Thank you very much, students.